In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a pre-made design and quickly make it your own. We're starting by choosing a pre-made design that already has a strong layout. The goal here isn't to redesign from scratch. It's to start with something that already works. When the structure is solid, customization becomes fast and stress-free. Next, we'll remove the existing illustration. Deleting first helps you think more clearly about balance and placement before adding anything new. Now we'll adjust the text layout to create room for the new illustration. This is all about visual breathing room. We want the text to stay easy to read while making sure the graphic feels like it truly belongs, rather than looking crammed in as an afterthought. And keep in mind that small spacing changes here make a big difference in how professional the design feels. I'm looking for a wildflower design that's really popular at the moment. Let's see. I think this one would work perfectly. Here I'm simply duplicating the same graphic and placing it at the bottom. And of course, let's make a few final touches to ensure we're completely confident that the layout looks great. Once the illustration is in place, we'll update the colors to match the new illustration. This is the step that pulls everything together. By repeating colors from the illustration in the text or background, the design feels cohesive and intentional instead of pieced together. You don't need a complicated palette. A few coordinated color choices are enough to make the design feel polished and ready to sell. And just like that, you've taken a pre-made template and turned it into a completely new, custom, sell-ready design. Once you've done this a few times, the process becomes second nature. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.